Ay, cut. Sorry. May nakalimutan akong ano. 1, 2, 3, go. She could not and she must not see my house because it was a mess.
Oh my God!
How did you get in there?
You're messy.
No, you weren't supposed to see this.
I tossed everything from the bed, from the floor, from the table. I tossed everything into my Monica closet. That was embarrassing.
So, do you have a Monica closet? Guess what? I found this clips dated November 20, 2022. I am just so glad I did not declutter these clips. I haven't used them yet for any of my YouTube channels. So please listen to my aha moment as I try to give up my Monica closet.
I was driving home with a friend. I could not clearly remember why we had to go to my house, but for sure it was work related, and for sure I had no other option but to let her come with me inside my house. So I was the one driving that time. We were approaching my apartment. My head was really racing in panic. She could not and she must not see my house because it was a mess. So she could not see my mess. I had to do something about it. She was a colleague and a friend. Fortunately, she is also a friend. So I had to top the friendship part and ask her, can you just stay behind? I just need a few minutes to go up ahead my unit. I did not explain anything. I just said, can you just stay behind? I just need to go up ahead of you. So she agreed without really asking why. I don't know why she was so kind that day. Shout out to Charissa. Yeah. Charissa, thank you for being so kind. So she agreed to stay behind. Probably she stayed at the lobby. Probably. So I rushed inside. I made sure that I only made a very little opening of my door, just in case there would be passers-by that they would not see what's inside my house. So I also made sure that Charissa was not just behind me and tricking me and would sneak inside as well. So, the moment I have closed the door, the race started. I picked up my mess on the floor. Yes, I had some clothes, I'm not sure if dirty or, somewhere clean. I had, I tossed everything from the bed, from the floor, from the table. I tossed everything into my Monica closet. Well, generation of friends, you know what I mean about Monica closet. I also have my own Monica closet. So after achieving what I thought was tolerable enough, I still left some mess, some natural mess. So, it's like putting effort to a no makeup effect. You want to make it look effortless, but actually there was so much effort. So when I thought I think I'm okay, I immediately sent a message to Charissa. I said, okay, you can go up now. And just the very second I sent that message, I heard the doorbell. So I said, oh, that was quick. And so I opened the door and I saw Charissa by my door, sitting on the floor. I didn't realize that she was just there all the time. All this time that I was doing all the preparation. She was literally by my door, sitting on the hallway, apparently hearing everything that I was doing. She could see that I opened my Monica closet. She could hear that I was, rushing everything and I was moving some furniture to their proper place. So she heard everything. Well, she did not see, but she heard a few hints of what I was doing inside. So I think she already knew why I had to let her stay outside. That was embarrassing. Embarrassing for me because of the reason why I let my friend and my colleague wait for me. And for what reason? Because I had mess. And for what reason? Because I had to toss things. But she was kind enough not to comment to me. Shout out to Teresa, but I was still embarrassed. I was embarrassed about my mess. I was embarrassed that I had to cover it up. Embarrassed that I had to let her stay out. My place was not visitor ready, and honestly, it was not even ready for me. It could not serve as my sanctuary, a place to come home to, even for myself. My place was not audit ready. That was one of my aha moments. I needed to change. So this happened many years back, maybe 5 or 7 years ago or even longer. But to be honest, I think I only made my place audit ready just maybe a few weeks ago. It was a long journey, but the feeling of having an audit ready home is totally freeing. My friends and loved ones can just be a few meters away. They could send me a message that they're dropping by, and I wouldn't, rush in panic. I could stay calm and, tidy up a bit. But, when they ring the doorbell, when, I could welcome them. I could, just go to the door and say, welcome. Welcome to my audit ready home. My place is not perfectly tidy. Of course, I still eat. I still have dishes. I still make clutter as I go crazy working from home. So my new challenge is how to keep this up. But my head is more clear now. So I continue with this journey.
So that was my aha moment. For people like me who can be overwhelmed with clutter, but truly has the desire to eradicate clutter, it takes courage to declare this to the world and eventually be conscious about it and be criticized, be judged, because there will be failures. It is a never-ending journey. Every now and then, I eradicate one Monica closet, only at some other point create another one, another new Monica closet. Sometimes it becomes even worse. The whole house becomes a Monica closet. I have to admit, I'm still not there yet. But I am continuing this journey, ignoring any feared consequences as I share this with you. I will be brave to show you my little initiatives towards this decluttering, knowing that it will be all worth it.
Shout out again to Teresa and the gang. Let's get together soon. You are all welcome. Please come in. Seriously? You didn't give me time to tidy up? I have a playlist on this channel. I call it Hoarding Decluttering Ideas. From now on, that's all I'm gonna hoard.
On my next video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple approaches on how to simplify your space, your life. These lessons I gained from my recurring Monica closet experience and from either my small or deep decluttering efforts. I am a hoarder of decluttering ideas. See you on my next video.
Ay, nagre-record pa pala to. Vlogger na ako.